Hello everyone, I am Harris Vimal from Chrysler King Engineering College from final year EEE. Today we are going to discuss about frequency control of induction motor. A three-phase induction motor is basically a constant speed motor. It is widely used in industry due to low cost and rugged constructions. The speed control of induction motor is done at the cost of decreases in efficiency and low electrical factor. This technical note presents a possible implementation of a VF control of an induction motor (IM). First, the note introduces the concept behind the VF control in open loop. Then it continues on a closed loop variant to improve the tracking performance of the speed control. Finally, a practical control implementation is introduced tracking the VBox RCV and VBoard Pro with an ACG SGC on Simulink. Um, the VF method is a form of scalar control because it relies on only the magnitude of solar voltage. This contrasts with vector control methods that use both the magnitude and the phase. In the stator flux reference frame, the equation of the stator circuit V dqs equal to Rs I dqs plus d omega dqs by dt. Instead, it becomes V dq is equal to Rs I dqs plus jws omega dts. If we neglected the voltage drop over the stator, it considering only the magnitude. The stator flux can be maintained constant by keeping the Vf ratio constantly. In this case, the speed of the machine becomes proportional to the stator voltage. The VF method only controls the speed of the machine. According to the machines will be naturally adjust its torque to the load, but there is no explicit torque control. VF profile. The basic idea of a VF control is to maintain the stator flux constant in order to operate the machine. Under the normal conditions, the stator flux must be nominal. The nominal RMS phase voltage then form 3 and 4 equation. The speed of reference can be converted into an voltage reference. Load speed operation dead zone. The relation in was established assuming the voltage drop over the stator resistance could be neglected. However, this hypotenuse does not hold at low speed because the voltage drop becomes comparable to in amplitude. In these situations, the stator voltage should be increased and the voltage drop it means increased. It means that VF ratio is not constant at low speed. High speed operations. If the machine operates above the nominal speed, the stator voltage should be exceeding nominal value according to the value. To prevent an overvoltage, the voltage reference should be saturated VSN. As a result, the stator flux drop below its nominal value at high speed. This commonly called an field weakening region of operation. The constant flux dead zone and in field weakening regions are illustrated in the voltage profile below. It linked the amplitude and the frequency of stator voltage. Closed looped version of VF control. VF links voltage, amplitude and frequency. However, its speed control can be directly achieved because of slip. In this node, the slip frequency is compensated by PI regulator. The technical note explains how implement a closed loop speed control for any type of motor. However, it assumes the inner loop in torque controller, which is not in case of VF control. Therefore, the PI cannot be tuned in the same way as in. The speed reference is the mechanical speed of the rotor. Since the VF profile the exceed the stator electrical speed as an input, there is a tracking error which is equal to the slip speed in the open loop. In a closed loop control, the slip can be compensated by the PI controller as shown in below. Since the VF intended to be a simple speed control method, the PI control can be tuned by hand when the motor is up and running. VF profile. Its VF profile is illustrated in the theoretically section. It is basically a linear relation with a dead zone at low speed and a saturation at high speed. Thus, the Simulink implement is straightforward as shown in the below. Uh, the illustrated implement of speed control, it consists of a simple PI control. The proportional integral gains were tuned manually through the offline Simulink. This is made possibly thanks for faithful modeling of the controller dynamics in ACG STK library blocks as shown in the below.